Welcome to this video. This video is about how to do some formulas, add things up, and also work out some profit. So the example we've got here is of an air show, okay, completely fictional, and we've got some acts here and some costs, and we want to add these up. We want to also add up the total costs, and then we're going to go in and add a few cells and formulas to do the profit. Okay, first thing we need to do is I'm just going to put some costs in here. Put those in before. Anyways, so first thing is, how do we add up these particular values here? So we're sort of add them up. Okay, well, there's two ways of doing it. The first way is, well, we need a function. We need a sum. A sum function adds it all up, the sum of it all. So we can go, a very quick way is to highlight them all. So you've got that little space there, and then press auto sum, and it adds it up. Okay, look at this, the formula there. It's actually a function, and it's sum bracket C4 to C7. So those cell ranges have been added up. Okay. Another way of doing it would be to type in here equals sum. It's just a longer way of doing it. It still works exactly the same. Highlight the values you want to be added up, put a bracket at the end, and off we go. So our air show acts is the costs are £65,000. Our other costs are £56,000. How do we add up the total cost, which would be this cell plus this cell? The total air show at cost and the other cost. So we just need a simple formula here. Okay, we don't need a sum because we're not doing a range all in one. We could just add up two cells. So what would be the cell? It would be that one, C8, plus C10. Okay, and that adds it all up. Okay, really simple. So it's adding that one and that cell together. Great. Okay, now over here we've got some income. Okay, we've got the income already, don't need to calculate that, and the total cost. Well, the total costs are over here, so how do we get that value over there? Well, we could type it in, but what happens if this changes? Then that would be wrong, wouldn't it? So we can just go really simple, bring over the value in C12, so equals C12, there we go, and it's brought through the values. Okay, so it's brought through the value there, and if I just show you, if I just choose another app, watch this cell here change. So rather than a hurricane plane, I want a Lancaster. Oops, Lancaster changed to 10,000, and if you noticed, that has changed as well. It matches that cell. Now the next thing is we need to work out the profit. So we've got total income. And cost, and profit is a very simple business calculating is a simple sum. It is total sales or income or revenue, whatever you want to call it, same thing, or revenue minus the costs, the total costs. Okay, so basically it's that minus that. So how do we do that? We could just do it in a calculator, but we want to use Excel, okay, to show to do this quickly. Okay, and so what we do is we go equals, and we want the total income cell, which is that one, I6, minus the costs, which is this one, press return, and we have a profit. Now if you notice, it's minus, so we're actually losing money, so somehow we've got to increase our income, and that's something that would need to be looked at. Okay, but that's basically how you do it. Okay, and we can also, if you want to show the formulas or see all the formulas on the sheet, if you go to if you go to formulas up here, show formulas, and we can see here you just zoom this back here, you can see here all the formulas that we've used. Now this one is actually some formulas that we did in another video, and this one are the ones that we've done today. Okay, so I hope that will help you in your formulas, your profit and so on. Thank you.